Hi friends, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to try that lash effect thing where you take a cheap pair of lashes and you rub it with a spoolie and it kind of brings it to life, per se. So I have this big box of lashes I got from Wish and then these, and I'm not sure this one's gonna work, but we can actually try it. So let's see. Maybe in this one there's like a crazy pair. Ooh, there is. Alright, so let's see. These ones are actually really soft, so I'm kind of a little bit more. So in this big box there was 3 sets that I will show you. So there is this pair, and these are really, really soft, like super soft. So there's these ones, which I don't know if it's gonna work because I think these ones will probably be best. I'm gonna try these, and then the other ones look really kind of cruddy. These lashes look really, really nice, the ones in the box, so I'm actually pretty impressed. Right, so I'm going to, I have my little spoolie and these lashes. I'm probably just gonna do the ones here at the bottom. So I'm gonna rub them and I'll show you how it works. When I seen that video, they were kind of doing it pretty aggressively, so I guess it kind of curled them too, I saw in that video, so I will keep trying. These lashes are kind of not moving at all, which is necessarily not a bad thing, so I really am thinking the other ones will work great. Do before and after. There's not really much difference to the ones on the bottom, if you can tell. Maybe they are a little bit more spread apart. Okay, so I wonder if there's a way. There's not really a way. So I'm kind of going to break this box that these crappy ones came in, so I can get to the ones on the bottom. So, oh, those came out. So I'm going to do these ones, and we can see how it comes out. These ones suck. Ugh. Look at how long the sides of this is. You have to, oh. So this is the lash from that box. It's like flat. And it has really long sides to it. So it's like, I don't know if you can really save this lash straight out. They don't even curl. Like, let's see. So Wish lashes are hit or miss. This ones, I'm actually going to apply these and we will see. I do not think that, actually I think that it curled the ends of it really good. Almost like you can curl your lashes. No, it did. It curled them. Now, depending on your lash, how crappy it really is. These ones, not good. I'm actually just going to throw those away. So I'm going to apply these with my Duo Lash Glue and a pair of scissors. And we're going to actually have to trim these. Ooh. They have a lot of weird adhesive, and the band is really thick. So I advise probably some liner. Ooh. So the lashes themselves look really good, but the band is real thick, and it has like some, so it has like that kind of gross adhesive. You can kind of see it right there. So I don't know. Alright, so I applied one lash, and I had to trim off a pretty good amount of it. Here it is. It's like almost, I don't know, it's a lot. So one of the tricks that I do when I'm applying lashes is I always curl my natural lashes with my false lashes. Now I always get something with a really big mouth. So not like one of those plastic ones or anything, like really big. So I go in and I don't curl hard, because if you have the not a natural lashes, it will bend. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so I applied the second pair of Wish lashes. I've been doing quite a bit of Wish videos to test things out. So this is the one that I curled with my lash curler, and then this is the one that I didn't. I don't know, can you tell a difference? So you just have to wait for the lash glue to dry before you start. I'm gonna curl these ones now. I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara just to the bottom of my lashes. So far my census with Wish eyelashes is maybe for costumes, I don't know, drag makeup maybe. These are just, like, I curled them with my lash curler, but they still fell. I'm going to try to curl them one more time. Maybe push a little bit harder. Now that's really crazy. So they're really, really big and really, really dramatic. I would not, I don't know if I'll purchase Wish lashes again. I mean, it doesn't look terrible, but it's not exactly every day for the makeup look. I'm actually filming this video in the middle of a tutorial, so it's like a tutorial within a tutorial. It's great. So I have these ones. I'm gonna try and do the spoolie test with those, because those ones are kind of stuck together. I don't know, they all just kind of seem really weird. Maybe these ones are actually not too bad, but I don't know if it's really worth it. These are really weird. So I don't know if it's really worth it to spend the money or even wait. So I will probably keep these, but I'm not sure how much use I will get out of them for an everyday use. You're supposed to trim them every year. I mean, obviously, these are just, I mean, they kind of look like a demi whisper, but they're really, really long. So, and I don't know how to trim like a lash in one direction. So it just seems like a lot more work that I'm willing to put in. So I'm not sure if I will ever buy Wish brushes. I'm not sure if I will ever purchase eyelashes from Wish ever again. It's just easier to go to Walmart, really. So that's that. These are my crazy lashes. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I know it was kind of quick and kind of random, but I just thought it'd be fun and helpful if you guys were interested. So have a good one. Thanks for watching. Bye.